Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very useful triple soldering helping hands device made from an old gripping tripod. This is actually very useful because it has 3 hands, and sometimes you need an extra hand to do some soldering work. So let's get started. What you're going to need is an old gripping tripod, some jumper cables that are broken, and a piece of wood. Now what I want to do is I want to go and take those ends of that tripod and remove them and place the alligator clips in their place. This bottom piece is useless, and I'm going to remove it and place it on the board just like that. So what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to get this little tripod prepared. So I'm going to go ahead and pull off the ends. There you go. Now you're left with no ends on the tripod, so you have those little holes that you can glue in your alligator clips to. So I'm going to use this drill bit here. That's going to make I'm going to use this drill bit here to make that hole. There we go. Now the hole is made. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a pilot hole in the center of this tripod, so that way I can be able to put in the screw. There we go. Now I'm going to go and put a generous amount of glue inside of this hole. And now I'm going to take the tripod and stick it into that hole. It's okay if some of the glue comes out. That means it's fully in there, which is very good. You want it to do that, that way it adds extra security. Now I'm going to go and screw in my screw into that hole, finish it off with the drill. There we go, perfect. Now we just wait and let that glue harden while I add some extra glue on the outside to add for extra support. Hot glue on plastic and especially on wood sticks very well. It's extremely firm. There we go. Now I'm ready to go and take my broken alligator clips and remove all of the alligator clip heads. To do this, it's very simple. Just pull it off. Sometimes it takes a little bit more persuasion to be able to pull it off, but otherwise it can just simply pull off. There we go. Now I have my 3 alligator clips ready. Now inside of those holes, I'm going to fill them up with glue. Put the alligator clip inside, twist it a little bit to make sure the glue is all around and all inside the spaces. Hold it there for a little while till the glue hardens. And there, now it's hardened, and you can test it out, and it works. Excellent. There, now your device is ready. But one more thing, I'm going to go and add a little bit of lubricant to the joints, so that way they can move a little bit better. So it's less stiff. It's good that it's stiff, but it needs to be a little less stiff so it's a little bit easier to manage. So I'm just going to go and twist it around and move it around, allowing it to work in the grease, to work in the lubricant, so that way they can move better and easier. If you have a little bit of the lubricant on your hand, it's good to rub it on the wood because it makes the wood look a little shinier and better. Now wipe off some of the excess so it dries a little faster. And there, now it's done. Let's go ahead and test it out. There, now it's ready to use. Let's pretend this screwdriver here is my soldering iron and this wire here is some solder wire. As you can see, it's very easy and very useful to manage. Now you have like an extra hand to help you solder your circuits. Those two to hold your circuit, and this one to hold your wire or any other electrical components. That's actually very, very useful. And then you just do your work just like that, with less hassle. And there you have it. Your triple soldering helping hand device is ready, and it works very well. Thank you for watching Side High Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Side High Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.